Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you an extremely useful tool in tradingview.com for practicing price action in technical analysis. It is known as backtesting. Backtesting has been used by all successful traders rigorously to practice their new strategies and to further enhance their trading skills. I personally use backtesting whenever I can, and I strongly suggest all new beginners to use this backtesting to practice price action reading charts rather than developing another simulation account or doing paper trading. So you can choose any stock of your choice. In this particular example, I'm using Apple here just for the sake of our example. So this is a daily chart for Apple in today's date. So the first thing we need to do in backtesting is go to this replay button here. This will take you back in time, a date of your choice. So let's go back in time and choose any date somewhere around. Okay, I'll choose it here. So now we have this fresh chart in front of us. We will assume as if it is of today's date. So let's start trading over here. First thing I can see, it is a clear downtrend. So let me draw my trend line here. So the first thing I will do is I will wait for this trend line to break and the trend to be changed to bullish. So let's wait here. This over here is the forward button. This basically will take you one interval forward at a time. Since we're using a daily time frame here, so it will go forward one day at a time. Okay, so let's wait for this trend line to be broken. Still no trade. Okay, the trend line is broken. Now the second thing we have to wait is to develop some market structure or a higher high. Okay, I can see a higher high developing, and over here I can see a structure developing that the price is not able to break. It's acting as a resistance level over here. So let's wait for this resistance level to break in order to enter the trade. Still we wait now. Okay, we have a clear breakout over here. I'm going to enter this trade. So how do I enter a trade in backtesting? On the sidebar you have a tool which is known as long position tool. You press this one and you place it right in front of the candle close. So this is how a long position tool look to you. So what it does is the green part will represent your target profit wherever you want to place your target profit, and the red part over here is your stop loss. So visually you can see how your trade is being carried out, where your target profit is and where you place your stop loss. So the stop loss for me, I always place it just below the market structure over here in this resistance level, and your target profit should be on a next market structure in front of you. So let's see a little bit on the left and see if any clear resistance or support line we can identify here. So I can see over here we can see. Let me explain you why I'm choosing this. So at this resistance line I can see the price is not able to break clearly, or in this point, at this point, and thirdly over here. So we will set our target profit at this market structure over here. We have our stop loss over here, so we're ready for our trades. So let's review it again. We are targeting a profit of almost 18% over here, and our stop loss is 4. So what this tells us is that in case our trade plays out in our favor, I will be targeting a profit of 18%, and in case the price goes down, the price will go down and hit the stop loss. So this is the amount of loss I am willing to take in this particular trade. It's always important that you should know how much you're willing to lose on a trade and what is your target profit. We cannot just blindly enter a trade without any target profit and stop loss. We can see here our risk to reward ratio is almost about 1:4 ratio. So this in a sense is a very good trade in case it plays out in our favor. So let's see how the trade goes on. This is again our forward button. Okay, directly we are in green right now. We wait patiently for our price to hit the target profit or the stop loss level. Still we are in our trade and the price is shooting up. There we go. So we have hit our target profit. We will close the trade over here and we take the deal. So this is how a long position tool is used in order to simulate as if you're taking an actual trade. Let's do one more trade quickly just to finalizes. So again, you can see this resistance level is acting uh, as a strong resistance level, which is shown by this wick rejection candle and this bearish candle over here. We wait again, no trade being presented to us now. Now the price is coming back on this resistance level. So let me draw this structure over here. So in case this structure is broken, since we are already in an uptrend, we have high chance that in case this structure is broken, again the price will shoot up. So we wait. No, so I will not consider this as a breakout. This is a very small candle. Let's wait one more candle here. There we go. So now this is a clear breakout of this structure. Again, I'm going to enter a trade. Similarly, using my long position tool, I'm going to place my stop loss again just below this structure level. And for my target profit, I will go back again left and see a clear resistance with support level. So I can see here, almost here, yeah, that this is acting as a support level. See, the price is respecting the support level at this stage. At this stage, this wick rejection, and over here it acts as a resistance. So I can assume this is a market structure where the price is respecting this price, and there is price action at this. So I will set my target profit at this level. So this trade, let's review before proceeding further. We are willing to take a loss of around 2% on this trade in case our trade goes bad, and our target profit is almost about 6.7%. So let's go forward and see how this trade plays out. Okay, we are in red. Okay, now this is an important pointer. See the trade, it went down, we are in loss, but we still did not get stopped out. Still we are in this trade. This is an important aspect of placing your stop loss very carefully. So in case you don't get stopped out early in the trade. Let's go forward. Okay, again now we are in green. Good, we are in green. There we go. Second trade also is our profit range, and you can see the importance of these market structure. Always you can see in this structure the price is respecting this level and it is behaving accordingly. So basically this is how you practice using backtesting. You can use it in any of the strategies. I personally use backtesting a lot. This has helped me a lot. So I will encourage every new trader to use this strategy, this tool in tradingview.com. And I hope you like this video. Thank you.